The holiday season brings a huge spike in online shopping, and PPC ads put your brand right in front of ready-to-buy customers. Holiday campaigns are highly targeted, measurable, and flexible, making them your digital storefront during the busiest time of year. Start with a winning strategy, set clear goals, research seasonal keywords, craft festive ad copy, and budget smartly. Use the right mix of ads, search, display, shopping, video, and remarketing to capture attention and drive conversions. Add extensions like site links, promotions, and dynamic content to showcase offers and urgency. Optimize landing pages for mobile, test copy, and CTAs, and highlight limited time deals. Track key metrics like CTR, ROAS, and conversions, and adapt in real time. Reallocate budget, optimize top performers, and launch last-minute promos. Success equals planning, strategy, and agility. Make every click count this holiday season. Need help running holiday PPC campaigns that convert? We plan, launch, and optimize campaigns that deliver results.